Hey guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Dominations! Woohoo! So, yeah guys. Last episode we got completely crushed by this missile silo, and now I know it's a new defense building, guys. So if you haven't built it already, it costs 88,000 oil and it's really awesome. But now I'm prepared, guys. Instead of 2 sabotages, I took 4 demolitions, and I hope that will be at least enough to kill the missile silo, guys. I'm also ready with my blessings, ready with my generals this time. So let's go crush some faces and destroy some bases, guys. Yeah, that's what we're all about. So let's find a high level player. I want to crush a high level player, guys. Somebody with level 200 or something. Will be good, will be nice. Now let's see what opponent I get. Okay, this is yeah, this player has a little bit too high level walls. I'm not gonna bother with that. I think those players with this level walls really cheated or something. I don't know where they get the currency to build this high level walls, or they must play like 24/7 and looting. This guy has such a nice loot, and he is actually upgrading his missile launcher, it seems. At least I hope that's what he's doing. Let's give a go for this base, guys. Let's grab this awesome loot. And let's protect my troops. I was actually thinking also to kill some of the mortars. Yeah, use 2 demolitions to destroy some of the mortars, because the missile silo is actually upgrading it. So easy peasy lemon squeezy, guys. Yeah, once the Joker is back to Dominations and he knows the new things, there's no base on Earth who can defend against my army, guys. They must be really thinking that I'm stupid, but the bases are just getting crushed. I have to be careful now using my airplanes, because yeah, I already lost 2 of them airplanes. But it doesn't really matter, guys, because I'm just retraining them anyways. So let's see if I can get a 5-star victory against this player. Lots and lots of my troops are still alive, so it's yeah, it should be very possible to get a 5-star or 4-star victory, guys, because actually I didn't get the quick victory star. I kind of forgot that was also a thing, guys. Kind of forgot about the quick victory. I could have loaded my troops like on the top right to kill the town center within the first seconds and then get a 5-star, but yeah, Papyrus is back in the game, guys. Back at Dominations. So I'm showing you once more how to do it, guys. I got this awesome loot. And yeah, let's see what we can upgrade, guys. Now I know it's actually way better to take 4 demolitions than to take 2 sabotages. So I think this is good. Take 4 demolitions, 1 protect. course, train some. Yeah. Two of my generals were still in cooldown. I was already attacking last time. And I know that the new... Let's see if I can... The new phase here has gathering time decreased. So that's actually nice for those people who don't... Which always keep some citizens in reserve to get those bushes. And people who play a lot, every every bit of time they can harvest those to at least keep their defense boost up. And also a lot of times training troop booster, so you can actually get those millions of resources. So yeah, I don't have any diamonds, so it takes quite a long time to retrain a troop. So I won't do any more attacks. I'm just seeing what I can still upgrade on my base. I also want to know what's the ultimate of this Montezuma, guys. If I did everything, I get triple alliance. Provides one additional random national trade good whenever you gain at least one national trade good from battle. What's this? Increase the power of coalitions. Fault. Oil well. Oh, I get also farm production. That's quite nice. And what's this? Okay, expansion time. Yeah, that guy is not doing much. Anyway, I just want to get everything, guys. I really want to get everything. So yeah, let's take this. Because I have 5 citizens left. So all my citizens are working in the university. I'm trying to always do those researches. Because if my theory is that if you once you've done all the researches, the game will be easier. And once you finish all of the game buildings, your researches won't be cheaper or easier. So I think it's a better choice in the long term to first do all of the researches and then finish all of the buildings. But of course it's kind of boring, but yeah, it's a long-term game, guys. I also plan on staying in this, what's it called, Atomic Age, and not going to this Cold War Age, even though I'm tempted to do that, because they have those nice vehicles, guys. What's this? MRL Recruit. They're like, oh, it's a new factory unit. Let's see, guys. Can I see it somewhere? Yeah. Wow. What's this dude doing? Launches a volley of rockets with every attack. What the fuck? It's like those Sam. If you don't know, guys know Command and Conquer. It's like one of those V2 rocket launchers at the back, but then it has a couple of them. Yeah, guys. Anyways, I'm back with Dominations. I hope you enjoyed the episode. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.